Hello friends, I am Tripti Singhal from the Career Classes. In this video, we solve the exercise 2.2 from the chapter 2 polynomial question 2. So find a quadratic polynomial each with the given zeros and given numbers as a sum and the product of its zeros respectively. Okay. So in this question what we have given the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros respectively. So let's get started. Our first one is 1 by 4 and minus 1. Okay. So in this equation we have given the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. This is the sum alpha plus beta and this is the product of the zeros alpha into beta. So here 1 by 4 is nothing but the sum of the zeros, and let's say zeros will be alpha and beta. So that is will be alpha plus beta, and minus 1 is equals to product of the zeros. Minus 1 is equals to product of the zeros is equals to alpha into beta. So friends, in this equation, in this question, you see that the sum and the product of the zeros is given directly. Some of time you don't have given directly the sum and the product of the zeros, you just given that this alpha, that means the zeros values, that means the alpha and beta. Okay, and you need to find the sum and the product of the zeros respectively to put in the equation. But in this equation we have directly given the values of the sum and the product of the zeros. So we need to find the equation directly. Therefore the required quadratic equation is, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation when sum and the product of the zeros is given. Okay, we can say that in the form of, अगर आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह और याद रखना है तो आप ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हो, the sum of the zeros, that means s x plus the product of the zeros यानी कि p. So the equation is x square minus sx plus p is equals to 0. Okay. Now what we do? We just need to put the values of the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros in this equation, and we have x square minus 1 upon 4 into x plus minus 1 is equals to 0. So x square minus 1 by 4 x plus or minus minus 1 is equals to 0. Now what about this 1 by 4? We just need to take LCM both the sides. So you get 4x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is your final equation. That's it. Okay. 2 root 2 and 1 by 3. The values are given is to you is root 2 and 1 by 3. So as we know that sum of the zeros, that is given by alpha plus beta, is root 2 here, and the product of the zeros alpha into beta is equals to 1 by 3. You know all that. Now the required equation is this. You just need to put the values of the sum and the product of the zeros in the equation. So therefore the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Don't miss the sign. First is a minus and then it's a plus sign. So don't miss the sign and don't mess up with the sign, because if the sum is a minus then minus minus plus, and if the product is a minus then plus or minus minus, as we can see here. Okay, what about in this case? So in this case x square minus the sum of the product is alpha plus beta is root 2. So root 2 x plus alpha into beta, that is 1 by 3. It is as simple as that. So therefore we have, again we take the LCM both the cases. So we have finally 3x square minus root 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is your final required equation. Okay, move on to the third. It's very interesting. Third one is very interesting. because the values are given to you is 0 and root 5. 0 and root 5. Okay. So we have the sum of the zeros is equals to, we have the sum of the zeros is equals to 0 and alpha into beta, that means the product of the zeros is given by root 5. Okay. So the sum of the zeros is given to you is 0. So let's check out what is our equation becomes. So therefore the required equation is nothing but x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Every time you need to mention this equation and then you put the values of sum and the product of the zeros in this equation. So sum is given to you as 0 x and the product is given to you as root 5 is equals to 0. So you can directly write down this equation or you can write down x square minus plus minus. So don't need to mention it because it is a 0 term. So plus root 5 is equals to 0. So this is your final required equation. Isn't it interesting? Yes. Let's move on to the fourth one. 1 1 here. It's very simple. Sum of the zeros is 1 and the product of the zeros is also 1. So we just need to put this both values in our equation. The required quadratic equation or simply equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 1 x plus 1 is equals to 0. You don't need to mention 1 as well. If you wish to mention, then you can go for it. Otherwise, you can just say like that x square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is your final required equation. Fifth one, minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4. So what is the sum of the zeros? Sum of the zeros is equals to minus 1 by 4 and product of the zeros is equals to 1 by 4. So what is your required equation? Therefore, the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Don't mess with this signs. Okay. So प्लस और माइनस कहाँ हो रहा है, माइनस माइनस प्लस कहाँ हो रहा है, वो बहुत ध्यान से रखना है और लास्ट में एलसीएम लेना है अगर ऐसी वैल्यूज हैं आपके पास 1/4 और 4 डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ वैल्यूज हैं तो. So what will be here? So x square minus okay, the sum of the zeros is given to you minus of 1 by 4 x plus product is nothing but the positive only 1 by 4. So what we have finally, as I am earlier said, don't mess with the signs. So minus minus plus. Okay, so x square plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. Clear? Now LCM ले लेंगे, यहाँ पे भी 4 है, यहाँ पे भी 4 है, सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं है. So LCM is 4x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, 4 हमने LCM ले लिया. You don't need to mention this 1, so I can just write x only, x plus here 1. So this is your final equation. Sixth one, check out 4 and 1. The sixth is the 4 and 1. It is very simple. So the sum of the zeros is given to you 4 and the product of the zeros is given to you 1. So what is our required equation is? Therefore, the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. As many times you write these equations, you learn very quickly. Okay, so habitual with this. So x square minus 4x and plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is your final and required equation. Thank you. I hope you learn from this video. So keep learning, keep smiling.